how to outperform your competition in business. There's one answer: work much harder than everybody else. I'm sure you've heard that many times from many people. There's a lot of truth in that as well. But the mistake that we make is we compare ourselves to other people. We're trying to understand what's the competition doing? How can we do better than them? Are they ahead of us or we ahead of them? When really you set your own lane, you set your own goal in terms of what you're doing and how you can do that to the best of your ability, then that's the thing that we should be focusing on. We should not really be worried about who's behind us or who's in front of us. And even when you get to that number one position, it's very difficult to maintain that position because there'll be a number of people behind you chasing you for that position because they're competitive as well. They want the first position. So you've got all these people to deal with. Whereas actually we're not overly concerned what other people are doing. We just want to perform to the best of our ability. When that's what we're thinking about, usually we'll get better results. When we think about what is the problem that we're trying to find a solution to, and how can we find the best possible solution to that, not necessarily thinking about what people are doing already, because we get tainted with limitations of how currently people do things. When you do like a fresh approach to things, like how can we, as opposed to what is everybody else doing, or how can we do that better? When we just take a lean sheet approach of how can we create a solution to this problem, how can we find the best way to do this thing, that is the best position to be in, and not be overly concerned about what everybody else is doing.